Khuldabad at a glance. Welcome to the historical city Khuldabad. Khuldabad, a Sufi city, Khuldabad, an heritage city, Khuldabad, a tourist place. Khuldabad has witnessed many periods of the history, the ancient, the medieval, and now modern era. In the history of Deccan, it has been recorded that 1400 caravans of the Sufis have migrated from Delhi to Daulatabad in 13th century AD. Hazrat Burhanuddin Gharib, who led the migration, was the disciple of Hazrat Nizamuddin. In his dargah, the holy relic of Prophet Muhammad have been preserved since 700 years, and on the occasion of 12 Rabiul Awwal, you are watching the dargah of Hazrat Zainuddin Shirazi. Here is the pedigree or shijra of the Sufis of Chishti order. Khuldabad has a privilege to have a Mughal monument, the grave of Emperor Aurangzeb.
Last Mughal king, son of Shah Jahan, and that body 5 feet deep inside his buried here. Aurangzeb feel my tomb open to the sky, no bearing, no tomb, might one sample. 1921, Nizam Minister Hyderabad, marble donate 1921. Aurangzeb died 1707, enjoyed longest period 50 years on the throne. He beat such emperor, powerful Mughal emperor.
Hazrat Banda Nawaz Gesu Daras is famous Sufi saint of Deccan. The grave, mausoleum and tomb of his father Hazrat Raju Hussaini Khattal is here, situated on the last corner of the valley. On the west hill side, there is a beautiful valley full of lush green forestry and historical places. Now Khuldabad is emerging as a tourist picnic spot. The tourists wander here and there in the valley. The valley is so peaceful, calm, and quite the solitude of the nature makes Khuldabad a heaven on the hills. You are watching the Dargah of Hazrat Mubarak Ansari. It is very near to Kagzipura, a small town near Daulatabad. Among the many more monuments, here is the tomb of Malik Amber. He was chief minister of Ahmednagar dynasty, but he was the founder of Aurangabad.
My dear friend, this is the golden history of Khuldabad and its Sufi heritage. But people do not know the importance of this region. In the year of 2014, we had a plan to develop this area. So we have made correspondence with local administration, the tourism ministry, as well as IITDC, MTDC. The MLA of the region, Mr. Prashad Mum, has taken keen interest in the development. He has brought Ellora Khuldabad Tourist Development Tribunal. So we are having some facilities here. The new roads are being constructed, as well as we find some water resources. He is planning to bring pipeline from near natural dam. If it happens naturally as well as historically, the whole region will become famous in the world. We are very thankful to Mr. Carl Ernest. He has written his book, The Eternal Garden, which was published by California University in America. And Khuldabad has become on global map, and it is coming on the international arena, and it will become very, very famous later or soon.